Welcome back. Today we are making ripe mango sasav or Ghotache sasav. It's a very sweet and savory Goan summer dish. This dish can also be made with hogplum or Amat and even pineapple. I've got these lovely mangoes or Ghotas from Mapsa market at 50 rupees 10 pieces. These are really soft and plump on the inside. First step is to remove the outer layer and scrape all the extra pulp stuck to the mango skin. I remember those times when my father and I used to go for a walk early in the morning. We used to see these mangoes fallen on ground. So as we completed our walk, we then collected them and took them home to make sasav or to eat it as it is with rice or dal. These are some sweet memories I have of making sasav or collecting mangoes in summer season. Coat mangoes with half cup jaggery and let it marinate for some time. Make sure that you are gentle when rubbing jaggery on mangoes so you don't squeeze out mango pulp. To prepare the base for sasav, the base should be very thick when cooked so it's easier to scoop and eat with mango or ghota. In a pan, add about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. When the oil is hot enough, add 2 pinches of hing. I prefer the natural hing. It has more flavor than the powder one. When the aroma is infused with oil, add 22 numbers of Goan red dried button chilies and toss it for 30 seconds. Add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Toss it for about 1 minute and don't let it turn brown in color. It will give off burnt flavor and we don't want it. So keep that in mind. The curry should be sweet and tangy. When golden in color, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and switch off the gas. Transfer into mixer along with 1 cup of water and grind it. It should be of this consistency, not too fine and not too thick. Third and final step is to make the dish. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and when oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed and let it crack. Add 1 sprig of curry leaf. Add mangoes or ghotas. Stir for half a minute. Add base of sasav and cook. Stir in between so it's cooked evenly. When cooked, add salt to taste and cook for more 2 minutes. Ghotache sasav is very tangy and saucy along with the sweetness of mangoes. It's a great combo with rice and can be eaten on its own. Hope you enjoyed the recipe, so give it a like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.